Welcome to Lou Kern, master woodworker and wood furniture maker. Timeless heirloom furniture, doors, entryways, stairs, and more. Lou Kern is a decorated U.S. Marine turned master woodworker specializing in making beautiful and timeless heirloom furniture. A self-taught fine wood craftsman since 1980. Lou's handcrafted woodwork imbues a deep respect for traditional construction combined with modern machinery and top-quality materials. The result is a body of work distinguished for its timelessness, artistic quality, enduring strength, and love for detail. Heirloom furniture. Custom-made dining table with each piece manually fitted to be enjoyed in gatherings of family and friends for generations. Heirloom dining table, top view, side view. Small tall dresser, colorful and whimsical dresser, painted with apple green wood dye with the sides and knobs in brushed aluminum. Built-in chest drawers, made of old-growth redwood, estimated to be 1400 years old. Dresser, made of light-colored annie-gray wood and redwood babinga. Nightstand. Doors and entryways. Italian-style door. This door was designed to capture the spirit of the Italian countryside. Classic wooden door. Antique-style door. Master bedroom doors. Made of cherry wood carefully selected for its flame pattern and encased in old-growth redwood. Notice that the glass changes color depending on the light behind it. Beautiful arched entry door. Abstract entrance door. The walnut figure in the middle is the spirit of a monk, portrayed as an abstraction of a flower, roots dovetailed into the ground, a thin but strong stem, and a strong round head against a setback of flame-shaped veneer. Victorian door with carved fan. Top of glass has square on arched curve. Cherry wood panels. Resawn and book-matched cherry for a door panel. Stairs, balusters, staircases. Stair helix, completely held together by interlocking wooden joints and glue. No nails nor screws were used. The top and bottom halves of the helix were made separately, then joined. Stair helix completed. Curved double helix made with 24 separate pieces. Took 6 months to build. Classic foyer staircase. Grand staircase with wooden handrails. Staircase with custom slide-outs with railing. Stained solid wood staircase. Side view. Top view. Wood staircase and railing with glass pane. Mantel. Fireplace mantel as a functional art piece. Deck. Redwood eyebrow deck. Great for morning coffee or afternoon reading in the shade. Lou Kern, featured in Fine Woodworking magazine. Lou Kern, functional art. Custom, handcrafted, architectural woodwork is our specialty. Lou Kern, Northern California master woodworker, serving the Bay Area, Northern California, and neighboring cities. Oakland, San Francisco, Fremont, San Leandro, Berkeley, Pleasanton, Alameda, San Jose. Visit Lou Kern website at loukernmasterwoodworker.com. Lou Kern, master woodworker and wood furniture maker.